What's up, world? It's Cleese Morales.
Start that again. I wasn't ready. You didn't give me a warning. Hey, we're starting.
We don't give warnings on this show. You should know that. This show keeps it 100. And I think my mom's coming up the stairs right now.
Does your mom know I'm here?
Yeah, but she doesn't know we're recording. Maybe it wasn't her. Anyways, one of the comments on one of the Pentatonix video was Latch by Pentatonix. Now, they said live in Matsia, but I couldn't really find that one. I got the 2015 New York Rockin' Eve. That might be it. I'm not 100% sure, but it was on Vimeo, so we're gonna watch this one. If this is the wrong one, I apologize. You should have left a link down below for me to find it faster. I blame you. It is all your fault. You failed in life.
Stop being mean.
That's so fucked up. I'm sorry. Let's watch this.
Wait. It's good to see something different. We always see them on video. So this is live.
Yeah, this is live.
We're still going to see him in concert.
One day.
That's our goal.
One day. My brother texted me. Stop! Oh my god!
Starting without you.
It's on mute. Okay, now
She's so beautiful.
I love her!
What was this?
2015 New Year's Rockin' Eve.
Okay. Oh,
I actually I like this song.
I fell in love.
I
Don't tell my boyfriend.
I heard other covers of this song. I like this song. Oh, I love her. I love that piercing. Oh my god, that piercing is like...
I don't think it's a piercing, it's like a stamp.
No, those are piercings, though. Either way, like, that's like so sexy.
I'm in love with all of them. Why do they make me want to cry?
You wish that was you up there?
It made me want to cry.
I wish I was that talented. That makes me feel like a piece of shit. Like, why can't my voice be like that?
He's so badass. He's just there beatboxing.
Because he's black,
racist.
that's why he's badass.
Racist.
How is that racist? It's a compliment. It's only racist if I'm insulting him. He's badass because he's all black people are badass.
Yes.
Have you seen Denzel Washington? He's like the ultimate black badass. He's like Denzel of music. I wonder how big his cock is.
Oh my god. Please edit that out.
Seriously, I want it.
I I want to see them in concert now, like, or live.
Yeah, I want to see them live so bad, dude. Like, I am gonna look for it.
Cause that's amazing. I just want them to sing to just me, like, be alone in a room and them to just sing to me and make me cry. That'd be awesome.
So weird.
I'm not weird.
Anyways, thank you so much for telling us that was out. I enjoyed live performances. It shows like the realness of their art and no like editing, no nothing. Just pure
Is she dating
live.
one of them? I wouldn't be surprised if she's dating one of them.
I want her though. She's dating me.
What if she's dating the lead singer?
She's dating me.
Or she's dating the guy next to her?
She's dating me. They're all just friends. She's truly dating me.
I would be surprised.
If anything, she's probably with the black guy.
Stop!
Bet you she feels like
He
a
has
woman
a
with
damn
him.
name.
What's his name again? I forgot his name. And you all told us their names too. I'm sorry.
What's her name again? Her name's
Christy.
Christy.
I remember Christy, Mitch. That's really all I remember. Sorry. Let me see. Hold up.
They all have their sense of style and
They do. I don't have them.
it's so awesome.
I'm sorry, guys, that we forgot the names already. Do not tear us a new one. Anyways, whew, that was awesome. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Sorry, I'm very excited right now. This was like, it's getting to me. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave comments below on other videos you guys would like us to react to or, you know, watch. And we will get to it as soon as possible, guys. Alright? This has been another video reaction. Catch y'all next time. I'm gonna put like a little effect. Was I not recording the whole time?